In the art modules, we used constrained randomness to create art in the style of Pollock and Georgia Seurat and other artists. In the same way, we can use constrained randomness to create music. Now, if I put the musical scale in a list, I can use this to select a random note just by reporting a random item from the musical scale. And if I do that, each time I click it, I'll get a different note. And I can then use that to play a random note for some amount of time. In this case, I'm playing a random note in the fourth octave, 4/16 of a note. If I do that 10 times, it's not likely to sound very good because random notes by themselves don't sound all that good in most cases. So that are just random notes. However, what if in the same way we constrained the dots and lines in the random art, what if we constrained the notes? For example, the pentatonic scale consists of 5 notes, C, D, E, G, and A. And so in the same way, I can pick random pentatonic notes, and if I play that, it will sound like this. And it probably sounds a little bit better than if we wanted to just use the whole scale, random notes. If we constrain it in some way, then we're more apt to get a pleasing result. In fact, many kinds of music could be described as constrained randomness. So we could also use different scales. For example, if we add a couple of sharps, then we get the minor pentatonic scale. And if we do that, we get something that sounds a little bit more like perhaps the blues. So then in theory, we could create a series of random notes and then add a backing track, and we might have music that would be reasonably good to listen to. We're going to pursue that thought in the next video.